Alright, hello guys, I'm back with another YouTube video today. And today, it won't be a batch program like we did last time. This one will be an actual game. I'll be showing you how to make just a simple game in the program called Scratch. So here's the game. I'm just shooting hoops. It's simple, and it's teaching you how to use this program. I will be making more videos later on, progressing through the learning session of programming. The next one I might be making a game in Game Maker 8, and I might later on make one in Unity. This is a very professional program. But for now, I will show you the Scratch game. Scratch, I will provide the download link in the description. When you get here to this here site, you'll just click Download Scratch. You'll click that, and then when you download it, do all the things that it says and do all that. And then when you open it up, I'll make a new one real quick. So when you open up Scratch, it might say something different, but when you get to this screen, here's what you're going to want to do. Delete this sprite here. The sprite is basically just an object in the game that you're going to be making it move or do whatever you prefer to do. But for now, we're going to delete that, because we're going to add our own. So as you can see here, we're going to click on this new sprite button here. It says paint new sprite when you hover over the button. So when you click this, you can either A, draw your own. I don't prefer doing that unless you really want to. I prefer to go to import. And normally it'll bring up something like this. It automatically downloads files of sprites and backgrounds and different things to your computer when you install Scratch. But for now, since we want a basketball, since we're going to be making a basketball game, we're going to go to Things, and we're going to hit Basketball, and then hit OK. And see, it'll pop up. Let's get a background here. So we click on the stage thing right here, and then we'll get a background. You can just go ahead and delete that one. There we go. Go to import, and then it'll come up with this thing again, and it says indoors, nature, outdoor, sports. We're going to do sports, and we will click on basketball court. So now we have this, and let's click on our sprite, and as you can see my mouse up here, you want to shrink the sprite. Just click your mouse until it's to the size that you would like it to be, and then you click over here, and then you can drag it down to wherever you want it to go. Does not matter. I like to have it like right there. Okay. Now we will actually put some scripting in for our sprite, telling it what we want it to do. So you want to click on Control over here, the Control tab, and when whatever is pressed, so you just drag it. You can drag it anywhere. I'll drag it right here. You hit the scroll down menu. I'm just going to leave it as when the space is pressed, and when the space is pressed, and then you want to go to the Sensing tab, touching color, and then you touch the color. If you have your ball over here in the gray, you'll touch it there, but mine's here in the red, so we'll touch it here on the red color here. And so now, now when the spacebar is pressed, and if it's touching the color red, we want it to go up here to the basketball, the shot here. We want to go. So if you hover over, you can see that down here it gives you X and Y coordinates of the whole program. For some reason, I don't know. But anyways, just go and find the spot where you want it to go. And mine says, mine down there says -9, 108. So you'll change this to -9 and then 108. And so then, as you can see, when you hit that, it goes up there. But it doesn't really stop yet. So we have to go back to Control, and we make another one of these. And let's just make it R for like reset. So when R is pressed, we want it to go to, and we want it to go back down to here or wherever you want it. So if you have it over here or up here, anywhere, you just find where the coordinates are at. Mine went right here, so -2, -152. we have -2, we have -152. Now then, we can change the score. We can actually make a variable, and we can change the score. So if you click on the variables tab down here, and we go to make a variable name, and we'll just make it score, and then hit OK. Now, we don't want it to set it, but we want to change the score. So every time you hit the spacebar, it's going to change the score by 1. You can make it 2, 3, whatever you want. But mine, see, as you can see up here, it has the score, and you can move it around on the screen. And so now then, let's test out our game. Perhaps, let's see here. So let's hit R, and see as it goes back down there, and then hit the space, and as you can see up here, it changed the score by 1. And so then we hit R again, and it goes back down there, and if we hit space, now it's changed it to 2. Just go to 2, R, you can sit there and you can do that. So basically, not real fun game, nothing too important there. But just basically, I'm just teaching you. You can mess around with all these. I'm just trying to show you a new program if you're interested in programming. So, thank you guys, and remember, this is my second video. So subscribe if you have any questions. Leave a comment, or you can send me an email. My email will be in the description. See you guys later.